Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. Rochelle here from Disco Curls TV. Today I'm teaming up with Naturally Curly to show you 3 ways to use essential oils for hair growth. And because we're in the fall season, I'll be using oils that remind me of the fall. The first is a rosemary peppermint scalp oil. You'll need an empty dropper bottle, your favorite carrier oil, and both rosemary and peppermint essential oils. Next, you're going to fill the dropper bottle with your favorite carrier oil. I personally like jojoba, but you can use whatever you like. And you just want to leave a little space at the top. You can also use a blend of carrier oils as well if you like. Now I'm adding several drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint has antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. It's very stimulating on the scalp and has been said to help the hair from thinning, to slow hair loss, eliminate dandruff, and promote new hair growth. I'm also adding several drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory, and is one of the most popular essential oils for the hair. Not only does it promote growth, but there's also claims that it can slow graying of the hair, lower DHT, treat dandruff, and dry scalp. Now that I'm finished adding the oils, I'm going to seal the bottle and give it a little shake to mix it in. You can use this 1 to 2 times per day. I like to use mine at night before bed, and all I do is add a few drops into my palms and massage it into my scalp for a few minutes. I also massage a couple drops into my problem areas around the hairline from traction alopecia. Next is an orange cinnamon pre-shampoo treatment. Some of you may have seen my coconut oil pre-wash video, and if not, I will link it in a card and below in the description box. This is very similar but with a fall twist to it. First, you're going to add about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This will be your base because cinnamon oil is very potent. In fact, do a patch test before using any type of cinnamon oil because it can irritate sensitive scalps. Here I'm just mixing the coconut oil a bit to get the consistency a little bit smoother. Next, I'm adding 2 drops of cinnamon oil followed by another drop of wild orange. The scent combination of these two are amazing, but let's talk about the benefits. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal. It helps treat the scalp from infections and impurities and promotes healthy blood circulation in the scalp, which will promote hair growth. The wild orange was just added for a nice autumn scent, but to use this, apply this mix to your scalp, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then continue with your wash routine, making sure to use a clarifying shampoo. Lastly, you can create a stimulating shampoo mix. You can use any shampoo, and on a side note, I've done this in my conditioners and also my leave-in conditioners. All you have to do is add several drops of either ginger, peppermint, or rosemary oil, or a combo of all to your shampoo and mix well. Depending on the oil, you may feel a cooling tingle or a warming sensation on your scalp. Ginger is warm and spicy and has benefits similar to cinnamon. It's also full of antioxidants to fight free radicals and creates a warm sensation to stimulate the scalp. After you've added your essential oils, screw on the cap and mix well. This combination will stimulate your follicles during every wash. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I'd love to hear how all of you are incorporating essential oils into your hair routine down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.